Hello student, in the previous class we have studied about the two-stroke diesel engine. That means the operation of an engine completes during two strokes of the piston. So it is called two-stroke engine, and the diesel is used as fuel, so it is called two-stroke diesel engine. Now we will study about the model of four-stroke diesel engine. What is four strokes? An engine operates on the basic principle, that is the four stages, and it is called the cycle. During one cycle, the stages covered is four, and those are suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust stages. So these four stages consist a cycle. A cycle consists these four stages. So the cycle completes four stages, and in four-stroke engine, a cycle completes during four strokes of the cylinder. And two revolutions of the crankshaft. One revolution is power revolution, and another is idle revolution. So here it is the four-stroke diesel engine. So here the fuel pump, fuel injector, cylinder head, cylinder, piston, connecting rod, crankshaft. Here is the flywheel, and it is the crankcase. So the starting of the engine, here the piston moves top to bottom during the first stage, that is suction. During the suction stage, the fresh atmospheric air enters into the engine cylinder, and it is the first stage of the operation. And in the second stage is the compression. That time the piston moves from bottom to top. That is bottom dead center, and top is top dead center. BDC and top is TDC. So during the compression stage, the piston moves from BDC to TDC, and during the suction stage, the fresh air is entered into the engine cylinder, and during the compression stage, the air is compressed inside the engine cylinder. So before the completion of the compression stage, the fuel injector injects the diesel into the engine cylinder, and this injected diesel is in contact with the compressed air. The temperature of the compressed air is so high, it is sufficient to ignite the injected diesel. So the injected diesel is ignited before the completion of the compression stage, and combustion takes place. After the combustion, the charge is expanded because it is a bond gas. And after the combustion, the bond gas exerts pressure on the piston, and the piston moves from TDC to BDC. So it is the expansion stage or working stage or power stage, because the whole work for which we are utilizing or using the engine takes place during this stage, that is the expansion stage. And the other stages are the idle stage, and to maintain the cycle of operation. So after the expansion, the bond gases exert pressure on the cylinder piston, and the piston moves from BDC to TDC to BDC. After the expansion, the exhaust gases, the bond gases exhausted through the exhaust port. There are two valves. One is inlet valve, another is exhaust valve. So after the expansion, the bond gases exhausted or passed away from the engine cylinder by the exhaust valve. So this operation is the exhaust stage. So like this, the operation is completed, and it is the one cycle of the engine. And during this cycle, in a four-stroke engine, there are two revolutions of the crankshaft. One is power stage, that is during the expansion stage, and other revolution is the ideal revolution, which maintains the two complete the cycle. It is the difference between two-stroke and four-stroke. In two-stroke, the total cycle completes during two strokes or two revolutions, movement of the piston. During suction, it is from VDC to TDC partly, and another completed to TDC during one stroke of the piston. After the combustion, it is expanded and the pressure exerted on the piston, and the piston moves from TDC to VDC. It is partly, and another is completed the cycle, and the burnt gases passed away from the engine cylinder during the exhaust stroke. So, in two-stroke engine, the operation completes, or the cycle, one cycle is completed during two strokes of the engine piston. So, it is called two-stroke engine. And during the four-stroke engine, in the four-stroke engine, the cycle completes in the four strokes of the piston. So, it is called the four-stroke engine. So, the two-stroke engine is more powerful than the four-stroke engine, and four-stroke engine is more efficient than the two-stroke engine. Why? Because there are no any arrangement for the opening and closing of the ports for exhaust and inlet of the burnt gases or fresh air in two-stroke engine, because it is opening and closing by the motion of the piston in two-stroke engine. So, the burnt gases passes over before performing work. So, it is lost. It is lost for the engine and for our fuel. It is loss of fuel. So, there is efficiency, less efficiency than the four-stroke engine, two-stroke engine, and in four-stroke engine it is more efficient, but two-stroke engine is more powerful. This is the difference between two-stroke diesel engine and four-stroke diesel engine, and this was the details about your two-stroke diesel engine and four-stroke diesel engine. Thanks you.